Hi, it's Rick Jones with today's Tuesday 2-minute tip. I'm amazed when politicians promise free stuff to voters. Free health care, free child care, free college tuition, free this and free that. The truth is, nothing is free. It may be free for you, but someone is paying for everything. It's the same with our freedom here in America. Freedom has never been free. Millions of Americans have served our country and in some cases have given their lives so that we can live in a free and prosperous country. So this Veterans Day, please remember those veterans who have served us well and honor those who are no longer with us. Freedom is never free, but you are free to say thank you. And that's your Tuesday tip.